I bet you've never seen a lizard sprint across a pond. Get ready to meet the basilisk, Central America's wildest reptile. Basilisks are famous for their show-stopping trick, dashing across rivers on just their hind legs. That's why locals call them Jesus lizards. With their striking crests running along their heads and backs, these reptiles look like little dragons straight out of a fantasy novel. You'll find them hanging out in the rainforests of Central and South America, always near water, of course. There are a few stars in the basilisk family, like the common basilisk and the striking green basilisk, both experts at escaping predators with a watery getaway. Next time you spot a splash in the jungle, look twice. It might just be a basilisk making its miraculous escape. Nature, eh? Always full of surprises.